So this is the Tapo Smart Plug, and in today's video I'll show you how to set a timer on this particular smart plug. Now this is the Tapo P100 model, but these instructions will apply to any smart plug from Tapo. So once you set up your smart plug, simply open the app and you'll find it here, and then tap on it, and then you should see the timer option. So select timer, and then now here you can select the time that or the amount of time that you want. So for me, maybe I can select 1 minute, for example, and here you'll need to choose what happens when that particular time elapses. So it's either to turn the device on or to turn the device off. So for me, as you can see, the device is currently on, so maybe I can leave it to turn the device off, and then I can tap on start. So now once this timer elapses, it's going to turn off that particular timer. Now this is useful if you're using appliances that require you to turn them off after they are done, or if you're monitoring certain appliances like, let's say, water heaters and all that. This can be useful for you to set the amount of time that you want, after which you're going to control it and turn it off automatically and turn it off remotely from where you're seated. So if you want the timer to stop right now, you can simply tap on stop, or you can wait for it to elapse and it's going to do the certain function that the timer had been allocated. So for me, it's to turn the device off. So let's wait for the timer to elapse, see what happens. So once the timer elapses, as you can see, it's going to turn off that particular smart plug. And that's basically how to set a timer on a Tapo smart plug. Now you can set any time from 1 minute up to a few hours. Let's say I think 24 hours. You can set any time that you want and it's going to work. But that's basically how to set a timer. Now I've been using an iPhone, but these instructions will also apply if you're using an Android phone. The instructions are the same. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.